/t. Oh, sorry, I did not say page rate.
Oh, at the bottom.
Sorry. Anything wrong?
You want to do the tab or what?
Yes. /t. The one. Oh yes, that's right. One tab equal 8 space. You see, the first one is in line with 8. So you can use this function to do question 9 and 8 for the format alignment.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that's
so
nice.
you mean so you mean this is to white align the number, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. May I show me my screen? I have something to share. Yeah. Yes. Do anyone see my screen in Visual Studio? Visual Studio. Yeah. Anyone see my screen here?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes. I can share another method. I can align the letter to the right. For example, if I have an integer a which is equal 1, I want to align for maybe x spaces. What I can do is 8, 8, 8. Yeah, we can check. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, so it may have the same effect. If after comma we say 8, that means that it is going to left pad 7 spaces. I mean, the one will occupy 8 total x spaces. So it will be like that. So if you want to do something like a white alignment, you can also try this method.
Okay.
Okay. And one thing I want to share is that about our test 1, because I'm in a test 1 group, the question fee is asking about to get 2 numbers, the remainder of 2 numbers divided together. That means that we have num1 and num2, so we have to divide num1 by num2 and get the remainder. For this question, do you see the question? Yes.
Yes, I can see it.
The question is about who is in test group 1. I think Lun and you are in group 2, right?
I'm group 2, yes.
I think
okay.
Harsh, did you go to the test?
Yeah, I give the test on Saturday.
Okay.
Oh, which? Oh, so your question would be different than us then.
Right. Okay. They were very easy though.
Okay.
There was one question like absolute value.
Okay.
And I didn't know how to use like math.abs bracket and the numbers, right? So if you don't mind, can you just tell me how to use that in that question, if you have that?
Do you, because I think Reza has uploaded all the questions. Can you pull up the question that you have question with?
Sure.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Walong, did you finish that?
Oh, no, maybe after that.
Oh, okay. We can continue with your question first, and then when Harsh is trying to find hers.
Okay. Then I continue my question first. You see that we have number 1 and number 2, which is going to divide number 1 by number 2 and find the remainder and display the remainder, right?
Yes.
The question is very normal if the case is positive, but it will be very difficult when it's negative. Let me show you what I mean. For example, if I have two questions, maybe 14 and 13, then we can write something like A, B. Sorry, A, B. Yeah. So it will show 10 because 40 divided by 30, the remainder is 10. Right. Maybe we try another number set, 1 and 3. 1 and 3. The remainder is 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But what if we try -1? The remainder will be -1. But because the remainder cannot be negative, so it is there is some problem with the modulus operator when dealing with negative number. So what I want to say is in order to play safe, we can normalize it by doing that. We add the divisor and then divided by 2. Divided by you can see this. I firstly try to find the remainder of A divided by B and then plus B, which is because the remainder will be -1 or -2. If we add B, that will become positive, and then find the remainder again, it will always gets the positive and the correct answer. Because if we see the case, -1 and divided by 3, the remainder should be 2 instead of -1. But due to the problem with the modulus operator here, it will get a -1 as the remainder. What I'm doing here is going to, I will call it normalize, to get back a positive number and then divided by B again to get the remainder. So if I try this one, you'll get 2, which is correct. Yeah. So what I want to say is this operator works normally under positive numbers, but if it involves negative number, it will get some undesired numbers. So the best practice, I think, is to bring it back to positive again and then divide it again. So to make it a more accurate and more positive, a more accurate result.
It is not just the issue of flipping the signs, right?
What I want to say is when it involves negative number, it always happens. Something like that.
I know, but I mean, is it correct if we just take away the sign?
Correct, take away the sign. Let me
Yeah.
check. You mean 1 over?
Yeah.
Something like that. Okay. Maybe we can try. I haven't tried before because most likely will be. Sorry. Yes. Correct. It doesn't make any difference. Yeah.
So if I go A is 1 or A is -1, I want the result to be 1, right? If that's the case.
Let me see. Is 1 is divided by 3. If A is 1, the result should be 1. But if A is -1, the result should be 2.
So if you put -1 in A.
Okay. You will see something different. Yeah. You will see the first result is -1 and the second is 2. But by definition, 2 is correct. Because we say remainder with something like for example, we can write something for if A is 1, we need to write something like this. 1 is equal to 0 times B plus 1, right? So the remainder is 1 here. But for -1, we have to write something like so the remainder is 2. It's not 1. Because if you use the modulus operator, the equation is something like that. But we cannot say -1 is a remainder, because remainder is always positive.
Okay.
Yeah,
just you put in is a standard.
Hmm?
The
I mean
the
this
second-
equation,
the second line.
this one, or this one.
Line 5. It says
Line 5. Yeah, I searched it on the internet, so I think it's standard.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay, okay. Well, thanks. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
That's I want to share.
that's a
What?
math. Is there a math rule?
Yes, it's a math tool.
Okay.
Yeah, but the modulus operator is behave differently from what we understand. Yeah, it's not actually finding the remainder. So in positive case, it is correct, but in negative case, it may not be correct. Yeah. So if you deal with negative number, just you have to take extra caution when you are dealing with some negative numbers. I finish my sharing. Yep. I stop my sharing first.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting because last time I do it, I get something wrong, so I found it on the internet many times because, yeah. Yes, is Harsh any showing us the problem?
Yeah, I send it in
Yeah.
the group itself.
Can you share it here?
Okay, that's cool. 5. Okay.
Can you find a share button? It should be on the top right corner.
Yes.
So this question.
Absolute value.
Did you guys
Is
see
it
it?
visible?
Not to me.
No, I can't see the question.
I can't see the question too.
Do it again. I don't know what's happening. So like I send it in the group itself, so somebody else can do that. Sorry.
Okay. So you mean the question 2, right?
Second, right. So in this particular question, I use like multiplied by -1. So I think the other way was like math.abs, right?
Yeah.
So can you just show me like how to use that? Because I use like multiplied by -1 to get the answer.
Okay. Then let me show you my screen first. So I think Harsh is talking about the math function. Just a moment. Where is my test? Share my screen right now. Yeah. You can see here, I think the question is number 2. Write a program to calculate the absolute value of a given real number. The program should take a single input, which is a real number, and return its absolute value as the output. The absolute value of a number is the non-negative number or value of the number, regardless of its size. So for example, the absolute value of 7 is 7, and the absolute value of -5 is 5. Absolute value of 0 is 0. So I think
can we use if function to do this?
Yeah. Hash is using if function to do this.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we try to use if first. For example, we have to write. I show you how to use it. Piece and a number, something like that, and then yeah. Double input equals console convert to double with line, yeah, something like that. So if you think if is something like all right, equals else is I don't list else. Yeah, something like that. So if you are using if, is that you first of all you need to determine if the input is greater than is smaller than 0. If it is smaller than 0, and then you times -1, and then you show the output. If it is greater or equal to 0, then no need to do anything, and directly output the input. Maybe we can try. Yeah, it is 5.23 if I enter 5.23. So you try the marginal case which is 0. 0, then it outputs 0 because 0 is not less than or 0. So if we equals -7, yeah, it will show 7. If we are using the if case to do that, it means that we enter -7. We determine which is less than 0, and it is less than 0, then we times -1, and then we output the result. So I think Hash is talking about if we are not using the if condition, and she mentions about something like the math function. Yeah, we can use something like that. Yeah, then that is, I think that is the function is talking about. It is going to take the absolute value of the input directly, so it doesn't need to do the conditioning checking. So if we try again, input to 5.23, and then yeah, the absolute value of 5.23 is 5.23, then it's correct. And then we try 0. Yeah, the absolute value of 0 is 0, that's correct. And we try the last one, the -7. Yeah, -7, and we use the method to get the absolute value of -7, which is 7. So we assign 7 into input, and then we output it again. So yes, Hash, you're correct. You can use the method APS method to do that. Just simply input the number, I mean the variable you have in the bracket, and then you will get the absolute value. Yeah, if you don't want to use the if condition, that math.abs is the correct way to do that.
Can we input use two numbers to replace input, like multiplying -2 multiply 3? Is it okay?
Let's try. I think it may be okay. Something like that, you mean?
Yes.
If -2 times 3 is -6, so you expect the result will be 6, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Yes, you can do this. Okay. So if you don't want to use the if condition, you can just use the method ABS here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Anything we would like to share?
Harsh is the how you do it, the task.
I use like math.abs, but sir told me like use if and else. Then I did use if and else, right?
Okay. Oh, yeah. I think because the test is about if condition, so he want you to use that method.
Right.
Yeah.
So
But I think
thought
that I think the absolute. For me, I think the absolute method is more appropriate. Yeah.
It's easy to.
Yeah, it's more easy to do that, and and you can avoid making mistakes, because if we're writing if, sometimes we may make mistake because of the less than, equal to, or greater than, or equal to, something like that. We usually make a lot of mistake when writing conditions. But if you use this method ABS, it's super. We don't need to consider the condition ourselves. Yeah. Any other things we would like to share? If no, maybe we can try our challenge yourself question. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we maybe go to the part one first.
Harsh,
Yeah.
we are picking the Reza has uploaded the challenge yourself section, right?
Right.
Yeah, so we're just trying to follow that, because last time I think we had some website and then play with it, and then it's quite interesting. So this time we decide to follow Reza's references.
Yeah. So first of all, anyone can share about what is a method? Yeah, because we have to use method to deal with the question. Yeah.
I have watched one YouTube video.
Yeah.
About code, and I think method should be some block of codes, and we can reuse it. And in the method we have a main method and something like a child method, and main method can call back the child method to reuse. Is it correct?
Yes, I think yes. But what is the advantages of using the method instead of writing the code yourself?
Because we write type once, then we no need to type twice. We can reuse the code.
Yes, I think that is the most important part. I mean, the most important feature of method. We don't need to repeatedly type a lot of code if we have the methods to use. Also, when using method, we can centralize the code. That means that if we have something need to change, we only need to change the method. We don't need to find out which program is using this function, using this type of code to do some calculation or checking checking conditions. We don't need to do it we don't need to correct it one by one. So I think that using method, we can have this advantage. For example, I think we have already used some method. Just like the method.abs is one of the method of the method class. ABS is a method, so we can use the method ABS to find the absolute value of the number. Also, we use the method for and method ceiling in the previous assignment before. So I think we have already know what we have already used method, but we don't know it is a method. Yes. So any other thoughts you think about the method? Okay, maybe we start to do the challenge question. Okay, first of all, the first question. First question is about display personal info. Okay, your school from your main method. Yeah. Anyone would like to try the first question?
Yes,
Okay.
Actually, I have practiced this challenge, and maybe I can share my code.
Okay.
Shall we give like 2 minutes? Harsh, you okay with that? Or you need some time to go through the document? Sorry, you're mute.
So I just felt like all the questions are easy, but question number 6 is pretty difficult.
You talking about the challenging myself or the assignment?
Right. Challenge yourself.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know how to share my Visual Studio.
I think share, there's a window.
Yes, but no Visual Studio can choose.
I think you can just share your whole screen.
Whole screen.
Yeah, so we can see your desktop screen. And you open your Visual Studio.
Oh, I think it doesn't display as Visual Studio. It is your file name. So Harsh, you actually went through all the questions already?
Right.
That's impressive.
Do you see my screen?
Nice mountain. Nice.
Oh, why? I don't know why I cannot find the share button of Visual Studio.
But like if you share the whole screen, it doesn't show up?
Yes, I show the whole screen, but no Visual Studio. Why? I don't know why.
Or you kept screen and then paste it in somewhere and then share that screen?
Okay, maybe I close it and restart.
You mean your computer?
Okay. Is it okay?
Still not okay.
Okay, maybe I share my screen for question 1 first.
Yeah.
Okay, I share my screen here. You can see my Visual Studio. For question 1, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, the question 1 is we have to write a method called display personal info. And the method will show you name, school, or program and your favorite course. Okay, and then call this method from your program main method. Okay, then first of all, I think we need to define this method, display personal info. So we can copy this. Yeah, you can see something like that. We can do this. So just under main, and then and then we can try to output my name, maybe from Centennial College, and my favorite course is COMP100. Oh, I love this very much. Yeah, so and then I call this method in your main method. Okay, then call this. Yeah. Display person info. Yeah, not personal info. Oh, maybe personal. Oh, so not personal info. So what is expected? So in the main method, I call this display person info method, which is defined here. So what I expected is I see this from the console. Let's check if it works. Just a moment. Yes, show the result here. So what I type in the method. So yeah, we can see here method is something like something you can call it many times. Yeah, maybe I can call it again. No matter how many times I call, it will show the same result. So instead of writing this code several times, I can do it by writing it one time and then call the method 3 times. Yeah. You see here we have the result 3 times. So if I don't have this method, what I need to do is copy and paste. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, it has the same result. So I think the first question is want you to know the advantage of using the method. Yeah, how about the second question? Anyone would like to try the second one? Write method calculate tuition. Why not? Method cost calculation. This method will prompt the user for the number of courses that she is currently taking and then display the tuition cost. Cost equal number of course time, okay, 569.99. Okay. Anyone would like to try this question too?
Maybe I can try. I can share my Chrome.
Okay.
Yeah, so do you see my screen? Okay, maybe I use online compiler to do this. Number of cores should be integer. And the tuition cost should be double.
Yes.
And the tuition fee should be double.
Yes.
My tuition course is equal number of course times the tuition fee. And show the course. Okay, cancel white line. The course is is it okay? Oh, something else.
Yeah, I think you
we
cannot.
We need a main method.
I think you cannot define a function, a method inside the main method. So you have to put it under the main method.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to.
Yeah, I mean, you have to move the whole static calculate tuition under the main method, under 926. Yeah, the whole block from 16 to 25 under 26.
Under
26 because the main method where is the main method? You have the main method under 20 where is the open bracket of main method? You delete it, I think you have to add
I add it back.
Yeah. So it has to be you have to put 14 from 14 to 23 under 24.
Under 24?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put here?
Yeah, but I think the definition of the code here from 14 to 23 is the definition of calculate tuition, right?
Yes.
You have to make it under 25. I mean, yeah, because you cannot define a method inside the main method.
Okay.
Yeah, try this one. Yeah, and then delete this one. Yeah, and try it. Okay. Okay, because I think you in line 14 you have a semicolon. I think you miss one, right?
Oh yes.
Yeah, try.
Yeah, that's okay now. Yes.
Yes, 6 times. Yeah, I think it's correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, but yes, that's correct. So anyone have a comment about this method? I think for the tuition fee, I think you can use constant because this is never change.
Oh, okay. Here,
Yeah,
right?
Just
Is it correct?
Yeah, I think you can use this. Yeah, but it doesn't matter if you just use double.
Okay. Constant is for the fee is not changed, so we use constant, right?
Yeah. By definition, it is like constant.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe we go to next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we go to the next one. The next one is question number 3. Question number 3 is write a method called calculate area of circle. Okay, this method will prompt the use of radius of a circle and then calculate and display the area. Okay, yeah. We need to use method pi for the value of pi. And we need to call this method twice from the main. Okay, anyone would like to try this one?
Okay, I try this one.
Okay. Yes.
So you can follow this method. I can type the code under the method of calculation tuition.
Yes, you can, because just outside the main method, you can have as many method you want.
Oh, okay. Calculate the area of circle.
Yep.
Radius, double radius. Radius.
Okay.
And double area of circle.
Yes.
We can so
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Please enter the radius.
Yes.
And radius equal
Yes.
convert to double.
Yes.
Convert to double. Cancel dot midline. And then calculate the area of circle.
Yes.
Equal math dot pi
Yes.
times math radius then show the result, right?
Yes. Yes, you're correct.
Area of circle.
Yes. Yes, floating point 2. Yes. I think you missed. Yeah, that's correct.
So
yes,
we put the method in the
main
method in the main method. Yeah, sorry, I did it. Oh, okay, I type against that. Area of circle. Copy this one to the main method. Main is here.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes. Are you? Yes. I think you have to put it inside the main, because the main is closed and line 15.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You have to call it twice. You still get error because line 16 is still here. You have to delete line 16.
This one?
Yeah, but where is the method? I think you delete the static method of
yes,
calculation.
Yes. Calculate.
Tuition. Yeah, try it. Yeah. Okay, it does not exist because 917 is an empty line. You have to delete 917. Okay, let's try again. Tuition fee does not exist in the core 1 content. The tuition fee, where tuition fee does not exist. Oh yeah, because you use the name of the variable.
Tuition fee. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try again. Yeah. Console.
Sorry, typo.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh yes, it's
Radius.
okay now.
Yes. Let's try one. And one we
Oh, sorry. Again. Try one.
Yeah, we get 3.14, right? Yeah.
Oh yes.
That's correct. Yeah. That is the method we can use to find out the area of the circle. Yes. Anyone have any
I think
idea?
we can put the calculation tuition fee in the main method. I mean both of calculation of tuition fee and calculation area of circle in main. That's right.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So you have two things. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yes. Yeah, you can do this. Yes. So, anyone have any idea about this calculate area method? If no, maybe we can move to the area of triangle. I think it's more or less similar to the area of circle. First of all, we have to pop user for the base and the height of a triangle, and then calculate and display the area. Okay, maybe I'll try this one. I'll try this one. Just a moment and see my code. Yeah. And then the method name is called the calculate area of triangle, right? Okay, triangle, yes. And then what we need to do is, first of all, I need to ask for the base of the triangle. Triangle, okay. And then, yeah. Base is not what. By base, then convert to top. Yes, and then yeah. And then I pump for the height of the triangle. Triangle. Yes. And then double try height. Convert. Yeah, something like that. And then I will need to area. Yes. And then the area is used to do the base times height divided by 2. And then I display this. Triangle is area 2. Yes, maybe let's try. I comment this one. Let's try this one. Maybe I try. Okay, just need to compile. It's so slow. Yeah. Something wrong? Exception here? Yes. Maybe I enter the base is 3 and the height is 2, so the area will be 3. Yes. Yes. That is the method I created to calculate the area of the triangle.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, anyone has questions about this one? If no, maybe we can try another one. Try the number 5. Number 5 is the calculate sales commission. Yes. Anyone would like to try this one?
You can pull up the code and then work together, right?
Yeah, okay. So you want me to type the code? We work together? Okay.
Let's do that.
Yes, okay. This is prompt the user, okay, and find the commission. Okay. So in this one, we have first of all we have to ask the user, right?
Yes. Ask
Yes.
about the sales figure.
Okay. Sales figure. I define commission first, and then I need to use a variable to get the sales figure.
Commission equals to 25% of sales.
Okay.
But if the sales is under 1,000, does it mean that if sales is equal to a bill, there's no commission? Yeah. So above 1,000, you have commission. Below 1,000, you don't have commission.
Okay. So okay. So we have to check if the sales figure is more than 1,000. If more than 1,000, you have 25%. If then you have a 0, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So if commission is greater than 1,000,
sales is greater than 1,000.
Yeah.
Then commission equals sales
times 0.25.
Yes. Okay. That is.
The question refers to like, so the first 1,000 we don't have commission, or as long as I fulfilled like 1,000, I get commission for the total amount.
I think it's as long as you exceed $1,000, you get 25% of your 25% of the sales as your commission. If less than or equal to 1,000, you have 0.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think this is the commissions. Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe we try this one. Okay. Yeah. Try this one. Okay. Let's try some less than 1,000. We try 100. Yeah, you get 0. You get 0 for 100. And then if you try 1,000, you still get 0 because 1,000 is not greater than 1,000. And then we try 1,001, and then you get 250.25. Yeah, I think yes, that's correct. Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Maybe yes. Anything?
Sure. We go on number 6. That's the one that Harsh said she have difficulties doing that.
Okay, let's see what is number 6. Display sign table. Okay, prompt user for starting value and step sign. The method will calculate and display a table of 10 rows of sign value based on user input. Use the built-in method sign to obtain the sign function of sign of angle. If the starting value is 0.5 and step size 0.03, the method will display the following table. Okay. So basically, we have let me try this one first. We construct the method. We construct the method first.
Yep.
The method is something like that. Yes, and then what is inside? And
Table.
we have.
Sign.
Yes, we have to ask user for two value. One is the starting value, and then second one is step size, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think we should get these two first.
The prompt the user for and the step size. Okay.
Starting value.
Yep.
And then
step size.
If we do it one by one.
Sure.
It will be easier. Line, yes, something like that. And then yes, please enter your step size of step. So we ask for the starting value and the step size. Then what we have to do is to use the table. Okay. And yeah, display it.
Is consult right line method
okay.
sign.
Yes,
no,
but maybe we try to just display one column first, right?
You can do it in both lines, right? Like you do a while loop.
Yes, you can do. I think we can do a while loop, and I think any loop can do this. Just while loop, do while or for loop.
Yeah.
But for me, I think it's already indicate that there is 10 rows. So
you can put a counter.
Yeah, you can put a counter. So maybe we try while loop first. Do we teach about the for loop?
Yeah.
I think we teach. Yeah. Maybe we can try for loop because while loop is definitely you can just use while loop to do that. But for loop is more like iteration. So you know how many times you're going to loop it. But in this question, and we already know that we are going to loop it 10 times. So I think for loop is a better one. I equals 0, I equals smaller than 10, I plus. So first of all, we have to double. We have to find the sign value, which is going to method sign, right? Yes, starting value. Yes, and then we have to write something like this one. Like this one. Yes.
You go back to the code and then just to.
Okay. We try this one.
Just display starting value.
Okay. Starting value. Which is floating number of 2.
Sure.
Correct. And then
tab and then
tab sign value. Floating number of 4.
Yeah. Tab. I mean.
This one. This one. Okay. Tab. Okay. You mean this one?
Yeah.
And then what we are going to do is starting value minus size. Yes.
Step, right?
Step. Yes. Let's try. What is the value? Start for 0.5, right?
Sure.
And the step is I can't.
Oh,
sorry.
you run the previous code.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't comment this one. .5 and then 0.03 or 0.3, right? Let's see, 0.03. Yes. Let's see if it's correct. Yes. Is it correct? Corresponding to the
Yes.
yes.
While we do minor, we can do plus, right?
He's going to
plus 0.03. It's the same. It's the same thing.
Oh, okay. We
Yes.
can do plus as well. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it is.
As long as the logic is correct. We've tried again. 0.5.
So it should be
0.3.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So I think as long as we this problem is maybe difficult, but if we break down into smaller pieces, it will be easy to understand. So I think the first one is we need to know how many input we need to get from the user, and we get two value. One is the starting value, and the second one is the step size, and then we need to find out the loop we use. We use for loop here, loop 10 times, and then we just output the result we want. Yes, and yes. So anyone have any comment about this number 6 question?
Perfect.
Yeah, so I think we have enough today. Maybe we try the rest of the question next week.
Yeah, next time, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
next time, sure. Okay. Bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.